Igbo jingles with Oidia. Come to Igbo jingles with Oidia. So, like I promised before, that we are going to cap this our lesson on Mkpụrụokwu ndị Igbo, meaning the Igbo alphabet, with those Mkpụrụokwu, meaning the alphabet that are double. Mkpụrụokwu ndị gbara mkpị. So today we are going to bring all the Mkpụrụokwu ndị gbara mkpị and put it together so we can learn them separately, because those Mkpụrụokwu is very, very difficult for most people to say. So today, on the first on our list is if you can remember, Chi, Chioma, Chi, Chukwudi, Chinenye. All the cheese, that's where it came from. So another one is Bwe. Remember to watch the movement of my lips. That is where you'll be able to say these words, because the way the lips moves, that's the way the best way to learn it. Bwe. Remember, Igbo, Bwe, re. I want to make it bold. Gwe. Another one is pe. Remember where I say okunde barampe. You see? So if you're able to get the way it sounds, that's the same way you see it in the words. Kwe, akwụkwọ, kwe, chukwu, nwe, nwa, meaning a child, nwa, nye, chinyere, meaning God's gift. God is the one that gives, yeah. Chinyere, meaning God gives. Chinyere, nye. Remember, the difference between this one is nwe and nye. Chinwe, chinyere. So the last but not the least on this is she. You see? So we're going to do a recap as usual before we end. So say it with me. Che, we, re, gwe, pe, kwe, nwe, nye, and she. So this is where we are going to end today's lesson on Igbo jingles with Oidia. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to recommend this channel to your friends and family, especially people that are not where they can learn Igbo language. And keep practicing on Igbo jingles with Oidia. Que mesiano. Igbo jingles with Oidia.